speaker wire. Alright, so this is the harness right here. There's a grounding wire here. It's going to be kind of tight in here, pulling it through. We'll see what we can do. Alright. Alright, so come back over here to disconnect everything. So I got this disconnected. According to the manufacturer, I should have gone this way with it instead of backwards. Here we are. Now this can all be unwrapped. You want to do the boring part?
I guess.
That's okay. See, it hung up on this, so it split the thing, but I was still able to get it through just fine. Doesn't look like I damaged them, so that's a good thing. Always a good thing when you don't damage something. This goes to this, so we'll see how that goes. I think I might have a harness for each of these. I'll have to look. And then this one's going to run right here. And then I want to say this one's got the wrong connection. But I want to say the big red one goes here because there was a big red one going to it before, remember? And then the brown one's a ground, so it'll go right there. And then, like I said, I'm pretty sure these two go to the... So it's looking like the positive on the coil is the 15, and I guess the negative is 1. So the black should be plugged into the 15. Gosh, I hope I'm correct on that. Can you see that? Where I'm screwing it in at? This is the ground wire right here. And then this one is a different connection than what's on here. So, doggone. So we'll stand by on that, but we can't start it till we get that connected to there. Alright, cut.